Dumela magaetso, happy Barking Ash Wednesday.
I can guess, Chief. I can guess.
Originally, no. I want to have a snake. Talking about SARS. La ring loan. I can even switch my own mic off.
No, decided to get on a new BMW that he bought yesterday. And the security calculating a security like go. Kai. Ena. This is something else. We have to my boy has snake. No. Back on the X3.
BMW Roslyn had to open a third shift.
Oh.
In order to meet the demand. Part of that demand.
By what man?
Part of that demand.
In your voice coming around here.
Bon. Hey, we need a
No. Car next to get a dragon.
So,
for what? For what? For what?
To learn, we need to also appreciate and we need to also celebrate black business.
So one of
mfowethu sula ku indawo leyi ngese akiwa kunchumo. Let's say school fees in life.
Yes.
It's a lot of learning, it's a lot of being thrown in the deep end in situations.
you need to do this thing. Right? Ariella gonna get monkeys.
That's why it's so difficult to compete with some of us because you think we are a typical tender. We don't have tender. I can't sell tenders.
You say I'm poor.
I don't have that word in my vocabulary. You know, we need to write a different script about black people. I got a succession plan to the third generation in my business.
Allah.
I know that is
It's a welcome to Business Land.
That's good. I'm so far.
Cover the shoes.
Cover the shoes, bro.
Cover the patima, you know. Clean.
Oh, look, he licks his lips.
And I needed to make a living for myself. Get out of my face. I can over.
I'm not over 16 hours.
I cannot next. I was like, I'm the first person to be awarded tender creative in Joburg.
sure.
Tell them Morkina Pizzo Maleka Kekopal Kualam Koti for free. And then family Tarmotom do Kualam Koti for free. Harna Undertaker. Harna Tombstone. Harna A. When I was to Kualam Koti. Yes, like Jang. I was like, yes, like Takwanga. You know, sometimes I could see Moka Kirim Mama. Ining mo khonang mo re ka khonang gore re kopane re be so re be unite. If we can do that, we can be our government, we can be our people, we can move mountains. We are the people that are growing these countries. Ha ke tsala ke kwala mabitla ga ra wa hlaya o tla ikwalla mokoti ya ha o kalo rekisa di veti wa ra di ka itheka di avocado tse tsa ha
Rula fita jamukule direct.
mame twela for pai asia ha ke ga business because of
Tlogela master.
waibo
Tsa go tsamaisa ba.
Asia
Ents ba fihle mo toka.
ke thuba miku
Ba tlo
celebrate when
Yeah.
because if you're going to come out strong.
Pizzo, some of the people will never fall because they remain in the bottom.
Yeah.
Where do you fall from?
My friends used to say,
Yeah.
Let's grow all together. There's someone sitting there. Whatever that is in your mind, no one is going to come. No one is going to
Thola kanjalo hlele khona.
come. Yeah.
Tsama o le re ka no.
Akuna no. You only work hard. Good evening.
Let's go.
when you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.
Dumela magaetso, happy Barakeng Ash Wednesday. Ke bona batho ba bantsi ba le mo social media ba re ba ya kerekeng. Bagaetso dumelang, ke Laboraro, it's a Wednesday. Welcome to the Business Lounge with Kigo Gentle and the guest.
I can guess, Chief. I can guess.
And many more.
And many more. Yes, and many more. Right? So I've changed his name. I've changed. For today, G is the Snake Man.
Hey!
For today,
Imagine.
his name is Snake Man.
Imagine.
But no, what have a snake?
Snake, let me go live. Let me go live.
Hey, bro.
The snake man won't be visible on the live setup.
Yo. I know. But it's crazy, bro. Like, hey. Hey.
Guys, listen up.
Baba SARS, la ring loan.
Yo.
What's wrong, guys? What's happening, bro?
I think give me an opportunity to
That's all yours,
to have a conversation.
I can even
around-
switch my own mic off.
No, you don't need to. How are you, brother?
Yo.
Nkati.
Yes. Imagine. Tshwantse ba e bua sharp, wa bona? So it must not be too smooth. The wife won't be happy.
Amen. How's it, G?
I'm good, my brother.
How was the day today?
It was proper.
Guys, go na le batho ba phelang. Le batho ba phelang. Like this guy woke me up at 4.
Yeah.
And we decided to get on a new BMW that he bought yesterday.
That is snake.
And we took a drive to Dal. What's that?
Dalstrom.
Dalstrom. Man,
Bro.
I went
Trey,
there.
bro.
No, Trey.
Like I
wanna
gotta
give
take
you
Trey
feedback,
there.
man.
So when we start the construction, every step of the way we're gonna take Trey there because we wanna document the whole thing.
Yeah.
Bruh, the landscape in that place.
It's on our
is-
level.
I'm sure you saw my WhatsApp status. Bruh, I can't believe that like it's a place where people stay.
Yeah, man. We drove around.
Serious?
Yeah, we did. Only the
Yo.
workers.
Only babereki fela.
I know, but
The
clearly.
security. And the security if like kidding, security like go kai.
Ngena.
Ngena. Hello sir, how are you? I hope you enjoy your stay here. Like, hey, you're like
The temperature today is
Temperature
9
today is
degrees.
90
Like
degrees.
it's gonna be like this and no.
yeah.
Serious?
We've got the clubhouse. Hey,
The menu today, the special today. Like,
Yeah.
bro.
serious, man.
I know.
So I had to go and see, man. My brother, congratulations.
No man,
Um,
like you know, you had a very strong commitment in Mafikeng today, but I thought we need to inspire each other. I thought
Yes.
no man, let me take with my boy, and then let's go together, man. So that like guys, we only have each other as brothers. Don't be aloof and think you are living in an island. I think that place, bro, like
That place is
like
beautiful. The
Praise
view.
beautiful.
Yeah, guys, remember
And-
last time we were talking about this, and I spoke about, the potholes there, but obviously my reference to that setup was old.
Yeah.
And what Gentle
That's why it's
mentioned-
very. That's why it's important when you're doing your research. You must use current data. You should know that.
So I want to know, for
No,
a
the
first
road
time
is-
visitor,
The road was
ne-
smooth.
hey, going that side, so that whole setup situation of
The
smooth,
road was
ne?
Very smooth.
is the same as like
Very, very smooth.
G20 type of
Yeah,
route.
you know, very smooth. Because in the, bro, it's on another level. I don't want to lie. I was very inspired.
Yeah,
We spent.
yeah.
Actually, we just came back now.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah. This place. The breeze is something else. No.
I was a fan no more.
And when I was there, I couldn't access the network. Yeah, to see the negativity around social media. Only get lapitori. That's when I saw what I'm my boy has snakes.
No.
But SARS come. You see. How can this buy 10?
Every time.
Back on the X3. I'm going to BMW have stock because of you.
No, we created job. No, for real story, we created job because like BMW Roslyn had to open a third shift
Oh.
in order to meet the demand.
Yeah.
We're part
By
of that
what
demand, man.
By what man?
We're part of that demand.
Bon, this is good for business.
It's good for business, man. It's
Well,
good for
after all,
the
this is-
economy. And we might drop. I just got an email now from West Bank. We might drop Max next week. We don't know what's gonna happen.
So,
Alive with
Suku
possibilities.
Masvali.
You know?
Inyoka is coming around here.
Bon,
Mara o tlhatswa madi, boy.
But I saw some lady saying, washing your mad.
But ke washing your madi.
serious.
Guys.
So the thing is, I wanted to, on a serious note, I wanted to talk about this.
Yeah, bro.
Kere, it's sad how when a black man succeed, you understand? When a black man start to,
There gotta be
starts-
connotations.
there has to be connotations.
Yeah.
And we usually say this, Ugothi, we always tell the story how this thing was started. And
Yeah.
no one get to listen to that story.
It doesn't
you
sell. It
understand?
doesn't sell the narrative. And I know before you come there, so when I was reflecting on looking at this thing, I'm like, I don't blame these people. So like it made me reflect. So we act like consume things at the face value. How many times, Runa, we saw somebody tweeting about black coffee, tweeting like unrelated to know-how or anything, like lies.
So the
Lies.
thing is,
So, and then we take it to consume and then we move with that story. And it becomes believable.
the thing is, people don't have an opportunity to witness the process.
Yeah.
And often it's because through that journey, it's not in public. In
But
most cases.
it might be in public, but it's not good for the eye.
It's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
good
yeah,
it's
yeah,
for
yeah.
their
It's not
consumption.
good. For their
you understand?
consumption, it's
It
like,
does not sell.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
It does. It's not gonna get likes. When Pyramid started, when we still 5 a.m. club rest no one noticed
cared.
it, right?
Even to you serious.
When we didn't have a fleet,
I mean, they
no
won't
one.
open even the doors that are windows to give us
Yeah.
to give them
Right.
the thing.
The flyer.
But those who has been there, Babanale Ned, who have noticed, who were there to witness, they'll tell you. Because we're always making noise. We're always in public spaces talking about the brand when it was born. But today,
Car next to Lata Dragon.
so I want the, you know what I want? The artwork thing in the so it's a BMW.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it, say 7, you know?
But if there's one thing that people should know, now from the operations department, I'm very happy. You know why I'm happy? I'm not happy that we bought the new car.
Yeah.
I'm happy that our families, regulatory family,
Ah,
you
did you see how
understand?
happy they
It
are,
is
man?
not our cars. For our family to get what they've been paying for.
Yeah.
You know, I was making maths when I got there the other day. If Rek 7, we've got 16,000 bodies in it's about 112,000 people that we are carrying.
Sure.
That fleet is not enough.
Sure.
It's not enough.
If people still cry, Kakolo, it's a 6. What more when you get 200 fleet
And
to
which,
assist our people?
and that is on the way. We need
If
to be very
Rona,
positive.
we're not apologetic of where we're coming from. Maybe in the center humble, Radimala, Rasiloja Tlabani. No, I'll shame. You're shame. You're a Jew.
But it was
For
oh, humble because it's still working. Ah!
what? For what? For what? For who?
For how come?
Gents, I just want to say something. Kana, this is a business show. Ne? So there's a moral of story here.
Yeah.
So, which basically I want to say, it's always a long journey
Yeah.
in everything. And for everyone to actually make it, and what I want to say is we need to take an example. Yes, we have a platform that we can always easily speak of Pyramid and what Pyramid is doing. And through social media, we can be able to actually highlight
I like to
these facts. So it's an opportunity unlike or other than people talking about snakes and all sorts of things,
Yeah,
we
no.
need to learn. We need to also appreciate, and we need to also celebrate black
So
businesses.
one of the things that I'm doing deliberately, and because I think our story as Pyramid and my story as an entrepreneur and our story as a company is just starting. And we're blessed enough to have Utri. Even tomorrow I'm speaking at the Johannesburg Business School.
Aye, that
University
one
of
deserves
Johannesburg.
a horn, Chief. That one deserves a horn. Listen.
I was taught English as Changani under a tree.
Follow
Do you have that-
translate,
Do you have that picture of me under a tree at my science class? I'll send it to you. You gotta put it on. Because like people will think like we
just landed.
Just landed in face. and we didn't, right? So one of the things coming to your point is I'm going around with trade to document everything about my life. You know? About how we're building this thing. Real stories. And then we're gonna decide later to say what are we gonna do? Are we gonna release it for Netflix or what? But it's gonna be on Netflix at one stage. But the aim is not a Netflix thing. It's about telling
Educating
that
and telling
child.
the story.
We used to drive around Likero every Sunday looking for a premises that we're gonna do a mortuary. Like for 2 years straight, looking, bro. Not
And it
getting.
was not recorded.
Not getting.
Before.
It was not recorded. We're just driving around looking for a mortuary until we got one.
Bruh.
No, Bona, ne? This time around, we're going to record this one.
understand?
We're going to the Northern Cape.
Yeah.
We're going to get a virgin land
Yeah.
from there.
What? A virgin.
Yeah. Bona. Hore, hore, what that means, mfowethu sula kuri indawo leyi ngese akiwa kunchumu. You get there. I need to make sure that my brother get this thing right.
So tomorrow it's very special because G hasn't agreed to speak anywhere.
No.
You understand? He's not a guy of interviews and stuff. But tomorrow he agreed to come through, and he'll be sharing the code. You understand?
Yeah.
The
I can't
code.
wait for that.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Don't worry.
I'm nervous and I'm excited. I mean, like I
same
logged into LinkedIn and then I saw the University of Johannesburg Business School posted to say they're having me there. I'm like, yo, am I even a real
Bon,
person?
the whole university, Bona, ne, is taking pride
A
out
business,
of you.
a business wing, not
The
just
whole,
an,
oh yeah.
the business school.
Hey,
It's very
listen.
important.
Don't forget the plug. I didn't manager
Hey, Bona, we need a horn for management.
No. Shout out to my manager. They reached out to my manager and said, please convince him. And then my manager did a great job in convincing me.
Yeah.
To
To the right
come.
people, ne, the right
Yeah,
network.
because like as you say, I normally don't want to be in the forefront and talking and all those things. I prefer the waking, man. So, but I felt this time around, we are depriving other kids of the learnings along the way.
Yeah.
You know, so if somebody's looking up to me, and they know that I'm a child that is coming from a village called Dumela in Malamlele,
Yeah.
you know, under the leadership of my cousin Hosi Dumela. It's
Bona, ne, the plug of leadership, ne. So, Bon, I think in preparation of obviously your talk, or somehow.
What
you
are the
know-
pointers you guys want to give me? We've got 3 minutes before
Yeah.
we bring in our guest. Pointers for tomorrow. What is it that I must talk about?
Look, tomorrow you must expect a question about what the World Bank has said regarding the reduction of the BEE.
Of the BEE.
And
And I think that BEE question, a lot of people, they take it at face value. They think BEE, it applies to people being given shares. There are people that are being promoted within corporates
yes,
because of that act.
yes.
Like now you are a senior manager, where Jan was supposed to be a senior manager if this law was not there. So people look at it and know, yeah, this BEE thing only benefit comrades. No.
So obvious is because of how they're looking at it. Yes, it's a fact. There are certain comrades that have had an opportunity,
Yeah.
and then but by the fact that the comrades got opportunities, be it that is shares or whatever, but those ones who were able to create work, and employ our people. I think it's always been adding value. And not to forget the impact the BE has had already up to today. You know, from when it was implemented, there were highlights of how many millionaires, how many how much buying power
Was
black people
transferred
actually have,
to black
which
hands.
was actually raised through this BE policy. So I mean, we're talking about trillion of rands, you know, on that fact. So we must not really undermine this.
Yeah, one for me now will be because you are sharing the code. You understand? It basically remember the old man has been at this. I mean, as we are driving, you're talking to that man about when it started, as SM
And
Mashopan
then she's
funerals.
like, no, but
Yeah, you know, and
this connecting the information. I'm like, no.
Robin, and many other things, you know. When I want you to talk about the story, when you were young, you're thinking that old man is abusing you. But
Yeah.
you're going
Hey, I remember to go pick up, bruh.
to pick up a
I was
boat
12.
at 13. You know, I don't forget those stories.
I hated that man. I was like, hey.
You had to go pick up a body at 13.
Yeah.
So
And
those
that
are,
other time, the siblings that, hey.
and by then, Kisco, like umuriding fit, you paying the price, you understand?
Bro.
And when by then you said I was not loved.
Yo.
Why I demand achusana? Because as an adult, this one can is strong enough. By then, when you are a kid, you don't see that. But today you can sit back and say, old man, I'm gonna buy a V300 because of those things. You understand? So those are the building phase. And when you refuse to open the mortuary, and may his soul rest in peace, Tapel Rapo said, Chief,
man.
you need to do this thing. Right? TP. You understand? You need
The
to
owner
do
of
this
Classic
thing.
Oriental.
Yeah. The
Don.
mighty.
He said, gee, you're a coward.
Because G can go there and say, Papa, I need a GL tomorrow. He'll get it. And
Boy.
he said, Chief, you're a coward.
Bona, there are certain
Do
things
these
right
things.
now, ne?
Yeah?
With the school fees as paid, ne? The school fees in life.
Yes.
It's a lot of learning. It's a lot of being thrown in the deep end in situations, and those are the things that makes.
I hit the
people
nerve.
strong.
Hey.
Bona.
Let's go on an ad break and then we're gonna have our guests coming in. Hey, this is too much. Good evening, Maratsko. Hi, welcome to the Business Lounge with Gentle, Kehu, and many more.
No, I refuse.
You refuse to be called many more.
No,
Okay.
You're not so many.
You're not so
Are you
many.
more?
Are you more?
Hey man, today
Yes.
I got my big brew, man.
Yeah. So before we go and you talk to your big brother,
Yeah.
there's a comment from Sandile.
Sandy, let's go, Sandy.
Ariella gonna get Mam Kizet.
So you know about that, man. You know about that. This is one thing that people don't understand.
Yes.
I want to invite people to watch our story because we're doing MBAs of some of us. Some of you, that's why it's so difficult to compete with some of us because you think we are a typical tender. We don't have tender. I cancel tenders. I canceled the tender in forensic, and I told those gang of black mortuaries to say, none of you have got the capacity to get it. It went to DAFs. All of them combined. And then some of them, I told them that I'm young enough to be your grandchild.
Do you say I'm poor?
I don't have that word in my vocabulary. P, what? The only word that started with a P in my word is pass.
Yes.
And I'm graduating on the 5th of, we're graduating on the 5th of May at the University of Pretoria. Gordon, what's Gordon what? Gordon Institute of Business Science, not studies.
The number one.
The number. So
Number one.
you know, we want to invite people to be saying, we need to write a different script about black people.
Yes.
We need, so that it doesn't scare all the children that you're gonna end up like mom kids, you're gonna end up like this. The people are gonna take this. Hey, this is not. We've got succession plans.
And the issue of snakes, ne? This tendency when people are doing well and you are not there to actually witness when they wake up early in the morning, all the struggles, all the hustles, you guys are just watching the results. what is moving, what is that. There's a lot of work. Every successful business person, it doesn't matter white, Indian, black, people have to pay and put a lot of effort beyond what you guys don't see.
A lot of work.
There's a lot of work. You can't.
And they come with a lazy explanation. Snake, SARS.
Bitch.
I mean, like, you know, these sort of things, like, it's the same as when somebody's threatening us that I'm going to go to the ombudsman. I encourage that. I'm like, go to the ombudsman, man. There are two things that are going to happen when we go to the ombudsman. The ombudsman is either going to find us that we didn't, our procedures were not strong enough, and we strengthen our procedures. Or they're going to tell you that, like, we had a whole lawyer this at a time, threatening us, writing to everyone. Sure. And then we didn't, like, we looked at that as an opportunity to say, is testing the procedures that we have within the company.
Not true.
Now you want to talk to us and you don't even have a succession plan. I got a succession plan to the 3rd generation in my business.
Allah.
I know. That is
Pizzo, welcome to Business Lounge.
Let's talk to my brother.
Yes, Lord. This one is coming with problems.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah, well,
Yes,
this
Lord.
This one is coming with problems. Hey, Chief, you are fired. Otherwise, you're going to get all of us fired.
Hey, man, let's talk to our brother, man.
Pizzo, how you doing, my brother?
Gentlemen.
You know. Okay, let me give him a chance to introduce himself before I taint his image, bro. I'm bad with introductions, but I want to, like Krotman Lam has got order.
Yeah,
Look how clean and smooth he looks.
Yeah, look at the cheese scope.
Look at the nails. Look at the nails, bro.
Kavale Kolo.
Like you did you hear the studio when he walked in? We asked him to so far.
Kavale shoes.
Cover the shoes, bro.
Kavale patima, you know.
Gentlemen. Now you change it.
It's about you, man.
I thought I'm coming to
It's
an
a time to
interview.
shine, bro. It's time to shine.
Oh,
Don't
man.
be shy. You look good,
Look
man.
at how he licks his lips.
I suka. I give up.
This is radio in the Northwest. We're doing it like nobody else, bro.
I know.
Okay. Siyabonga Pizzo for coming. Yes, welcome.
Good evening, man. Introduce yourself.
It was an introduction, that one. So you get an opportunity to introduce yourself. Man. Who is Pizzo? Where you come from?
I feel
All those
like
things.
taking out my shirt. Give me name, only now. Even corruption. Because I came prepared. Come on, and like.
Ushaya script.
Yeah, the script. Don't fit out to
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys. How are you?
Good evening,
Good,
man.
man.
Good.
Good.
Thanks for the warm welcome.
Yeah, man.
So the people are hearing who Pizzo, this Pizzo, who's Pizzo? Because you know one thing that he does in his business, we're gonna like it's for me, it's the definition of an innovative businessman within a gas.
Yes.
And managed to scale that thing to be something. But please introduce yourself and introduce your business, man.
Okay, my name is Pizzo Maleka, all the way from Soweto, Southwestern Township. Grew up Soweto, everything started in Soweto, and yeah. I'm from a very spiritual background, church background. Mama and Papa, my late mom, may his soul continue to rest in peace. In Elim Ruti, Ash Wednesday, Kitapelo Koyesu. Yeah, fast forward, started a company called PM Grave Closures in 2003. February we were celebrating 22 years in the industry.
Nice.
22 years in the industry, and I haven't found and matched my competitor. I'm still the only one doing that.
And I see people are tired, like, because this business of his is so, people think you are in a business of closing graves.
Yeah.
I don't think so. What kind, like, because people, they simplify it to that. And,
Yeah,
but what you do is more than that, because of anyone who have ever worked with you, they understand only after the impact. Wow.
Wow, yeah. That's
We, anybody could have just closed a grave, but
yeah.
wenza kanjani, bro? Like,
You
what
know,
do you?
I started a company that was just under the municipalities and the undertakers' notes, but they couldn't spot it.
Yeah.
So I took it and formalized it. In Soweto only I've got 970 guys that close graves. Soweto has got
Network.
about 207 funeral undertakers. That varies into 37 different cemeteries between 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So it's 5 hours work, but yes.
I mean,
Yeah.
the logistics are massive.
And come to think of it, managing more than 50 people, it's a headache on its own. But God gave me the strength to be able to talk to these guys. I talk to them like they are my brothers. I could see here. I talk to them like this. I understand. They get to understand, but there's a level of respect that we've created to each other.
Because I want us to sit here, and somebody's at home and thinking, I hear you, the grave closure and stuff. How did, because when you start a business, you see an opportunity and you see a gap, right? What you're sitting and thought of this plan and say, I'm going to start. How did you start, and how did you spot this idea?
I'm going to be frank and fair with you. Yeah. People who would hear,
Batla ho.
ho na le ba batlong kutlwelang, hole.
Yes.
I grew up from Soweto, whereby I've done almost everything that Mutaka yetsa. I didn't go to school and for business management. Ke botsikela out ya kasi, ke iphandela. And I needed to make a living for myself. Ke botsikela out ratang stwadlo, bona ke rata boniti, bona ke dula teng ga mnate.
Jikang khamnate song.
And I was not aware.
Little vision Dakar. Ay, tsamala botaka tsena go restaurant a order a pink drink, no alcohol.
Yeah.
Are sweet
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I grew up in ke batla ho ipona ke le somewhere out there,
Yes.
which is what motivated me. Nearly kena sekolo ne re bala buka ya Mthakumi. I did commerce subject. Ne re etsa ne re bala ka tšhelete ya company ngo bare ke Alma Traders. Okay. Tšhelete ya Mthakole ne sa balance ba fetu. That was tšhelete le ne le ngata mo lefatsheng, and I said to myself, I'm going to be the next Alma trader of those years.
Yes.
But you needed to start somewhere. A journey of
Yes.
1,000 miles begins with one step.
Amen.
I had to start somewhere. And it was not easy.
Yes.
But fast forward, kaba auti, kanga, wana mphandonyana, and then I think 2000, 1999, ra qala ra baya di-bike. And then 2000, ka di 20 tsa January, I was involved in a motorbike accident.
Yeah.
Then everything stopped. 2003, ke robetse ko Yesu. Ke thola message. Gore pitso tsoa o ye ko JD Funerals. O tla kopana le ausi mo mbare ke tsholo, kenye hempe le borugo, o mjetse gore o kwala mabitla. And I was like, okay. Ke a tsoa ke a hlapa nna mo kelellong ya ka, and then the picture comes in mabitla wa bona. Then ke a tsoa ke a ko Kupane. Kupane was the busiest undertaking.
Yeah, in Soweto, bro.
In Soweto, ya bona. Get to Kupane. That the Kupane since phila, may his soul rest
Ah,
in
man,
peace.
that old man was a
My
great
man.
man.
My man, that was a legend in this industry.
Bruh, so my dad has got a lot of friends in
Yeah.
that, and then
Yeah.
those are one of the men that used to call my dad Mfanak.
Yeah,
Like my boy. And I was going with him, I'm like, Daddy, did he just say?
yeah. Yeah. That was the undertaker.
Yeah,
in
bro.
Soweto. Then I get there, I'm telling me mom nyaka khepal ka ke na pitso maleka. Ke kopa msebetsi ke na le bontate re kwana mabitla re le kwana mabitla jwang. I get out of my face. Wa tlo ropa bongkgono tšhelete ya bona. Okay, sharp. Go home. Head frustrated and all these things. Okay. Fitla go ntlong ke diploma. Following day ke a robala. Hussein, that message came back again. Mfet, ke tsetsoa o ye ko JD.
Not Kokupa.
Not go Kupane.
When are you moving?
Ke a tsoa ke a JD. Then ke kopana le this lady. Ke tsholofelo tse tetse ba ntjwetsa ra Mfet. How can I help you? Ke re man, ke na le company o kwala mabitla. Le kwala mabitla jwang? Ba bontate ba 6 le di overall tse 6 le di gara. For a young man come to my office re kene ka. That was in 2003. We sat down, then I do a presentation. He was like, okay, Saturday, ke na le funeral. Ka 10 o'clock, ko Koromflei. na le koloi ke ra ke na koloi are come here at 6 o'clock. Then we leave at 7 because the funeral is at 10. We need to prepare gravesite and everything. Noted. Thank you so much. Ke a tswa ke tsamaya. Mamela, ha ke na di kharafu. Ha ke na di overall.
I'm not over at 16 hours.
Ha ke na next. Ke na le hempe fela le brugo.
Yeah.
And I was like, what am I going to do now?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for my dad to come back from work. Mfethu, mamela. Ara hawa o bitsa lefu la ka Linda. Re bona lo ma se ka qalile. Angiza
Yes, Linda.
Ya bona.
Mntana wakho Linda.
Yeah, ya bona. Mfethu ke qedile company ya kona mabitla. Le tsang? Ya etsang ke re ya kona mabitla. Jwang ke mhlalisetsa jalo. Ke na le bontate ba 6. Ke need di kharaf tse 6, ke need di overall tse 6. Okay. Na sebetsa ko Phoenix Industrial by that time. The following day thing a founele ko ntlung ne sentse le di landline.
Yeah.
Mfethu o itse di kharafu tse ikae ke re tse 6 di overall tse 6 tse jwang ke re tse white.
Yeah.
Ke ne ka di overall
Look,
tse.
it's like you're going to play a move.
Yeah.
White overalls.
You know, then the vision started coming.
Yeah.
I needed white to attract her and like overall tse white and it worked.
Yeah.
Because of that was our first funeral. And then fast forward, the funeral started, the company started growing. Now ke kwala mekoti o one every Saturday. Are khuta di overall di ahlatsiwa. Se di le phone. Di sa le white, se di le brown. Pula yana di a se wa bona di ba fail. Ho kene the color red. Then I got a virgin Leon or okay, the blood of Jesus. Apparently overall it's red.
Yeah.
Then we started that. In
Great,
that
man.
And then one thing about Obra Pizone is the spiritual part of you. Kurtmanaka. Like you've been in spaces whereby I mean like you've been in spaces whereby you were shaking hands. Almost all the presidents of
Yeah,
of
all
SA
of them.
you've been like in spaces where they like you are in not a robating molding thing. You're with them. Like you were in contact, close contact, conversation, laughing with them.
Yeah, I managed to meet all of them and not just to meet and say, hey, President. He would send someone to come have a meeting with me.
Latam Taku.
Are, that man, Unali, what is he doing? And then you'll get a message, or okay, Shab, the president wants to see you. Okay. Nah, President Rulobuang. By that time, Akina clue and all what I wanted to see was to see myself at the cemetery every Saturday. I was the first person to be awarded tender grave digging in Joburg.
Sure.
Let that sink in.
Yeah, so yeah, I started growing almost every day. Then what made my company to grow was when a high-profile funeral came. I would go to the family house and tell them, for free. And then family for free. Harina undertaker. Harina tombstone. Harina eni. When I want to
movie.
then hey, I'll make calls. Phone that undertaker. Hey, funeral so. Then the funeral planning part started in that man.
Sure.
Then I started to be out there, get interviews. I was all over the social. By then, they essentially saw it 10.
Yeah.
I remember Clelico first page saw it 10. You know,
And what was your dad then? Like now you're making these moves. That old man who bought those 6 spades and 6 white. How did he react when he saw you on the first page? I saw it.
He was like, he's doing it. You know what I like about my dad, you know? Hanek Kena school. Up to today, it's like Papa Maka 4. That man used to wake me up every day at 4. Was I getting?
Yes.
And yes, like young. I was like, yes, like you know, sometimes I do tell Mama. Because of you can't wake me up at 4. 4 times
But we're talking about Tawaya school fees. So clearly this resonates to that fact that waking up early is part of paying school fees and stuff like that.
But I thank him today.
So now my question, I got it right now. this issue the World Bank is saying something about BEE is not benefiting the economy or contributing positively in a way as a policy. So now I want to understand, because we are black people in business.
And that act was meant for us.
So what would your response be, or your view be, on the fact that BEE is not really contributing enough within the South African economy?
BEE pro.
Yeah.
O bona ke hlola ke re ko bathong ke etse example kan.
Yeah.
Ke re leave the BEE, leave the government, leave everything. Concentrate on what you want to do. On you. Hore mang o reng mang a etse, because of ere ko jwetse ne. O tlo ema o emele funding o sa itsebeng hore e create-iwa jwang. O tlo ema o emele government. You are the government. I started my company 2003. I didn't call anyone. I didn't go ask for funding. Up to today, I don't have funding company or NGO or bank. It only refill pizza 20,000. I went out there and went to knock at the undertaker store. Buffet kupalenka in span. Kinalwonta te by 40. Kikupara create them cities. Rebulai ing rebatlose strategy. Rebulai crime. Rona re le botaki. Ka shebisisa botaki. Baspanela dingamla. Botaki baspanela maburu. Botaki baspanela masomalian onaji. Botaki baspanela ma Nigerian. Kining motaki aspanela ntaki o monga sa complain. Ha o mokasha o batla o share profit ya ho lwena. Ha o mokasha o batla o jwetsa re o etse eng. Ke ning mo kgonang mo re ka kgonang gore re kopane re be so re be unite. If we can do that, we can be our government, we can be our BEE, we can move mountains. We are the people that are growing these companies.
But I'm the biggest consumer, bro.
Yeah, I want to grow my own brand. You understand? Ha ke qala ke kwala mabitla ga ra wa hlanya o tla ikwalla mokoti ya hae. Ha o qala re rekisa di veggie ba ra di tla itheka di avocado tse tsa hae. O sana na karobite. You understand? And another thing re bolang re le botaki.
Sure.
Truly speaking, ha re tsebe chelete.
Yeah, that thing is tricky.
No, I tricky.
I tricky that thing.
Mamela, I tricky.
Hey, Drula fita jamu pule that thing.
Mamela, what's ntho re bolang keng ne? Scala. Ha re ka ithuta ho hlompha chelete. Ra tseba hore chelete a kena a se ha.
Ke business.
Ke business. Tloela for pipe. A se ha. Ke ga business because of
Tlogela Mustang.
wa ibo. Wa ibo.
E ba personal ndaba.
Oh, askisi.
Kuthiwa hey.
Ya le ke fita fela
Yeah. So
Yeah.
taki nyu ya kena
Yeah.
ke business it's something ki buy di grafte dintse extra uniform or uniform e dile lentse because of I'm serving the community.
Mara rona re fa reka di kharafunyana tse dingwenyana tse ding.
Why le reka di graf ke le teng?
Ke rate black.
Wa o di reka ke. Why no sa re pitso reka di graf tse black.
Tsa business ya rona.
Tsa business ya
Kharafunyana
rona, not
tse
Etsang
black
ka kharaf.
tse re rekileng ma wa ko BMW.
tsa go tsamaisa
Tsa
ba.
go tsamaisa ba.
Eshane. Yeah.
And one other thing, Motaki, re gana accountability. We
Yeah.
don't want to be accountable.
Yeah,
That's
we
the
don't.
biggest thing ever.
We always do
And
something
we, I think what makes us win as Pyramid is we are accountable. When we set a client that will be at the Oscar 8, we be at the Oscar 8. You understand? And the level of communication through our clients.
Yeah.
Even if you are wrong, you say, I am wrong, I'm sorry, how can we fix? You understand? I mean, I saw you for the first time, we were doing a burial fale for Donkerhoek. Man, you had a bus full of men wearing white.
Yeah.
No, just red. Hey, but took my red ends were fitly mo Donkerhoek. But they did a wonderful. I mean, Mubuolin about it's RIP da. You know,
That's
and
my
you spoken about being their brother, and I heard the communication and the respect.
Yeah.
You know, throughout the communication. But has there been a day when you said, "I, mina lento nya yega"?
Yo. I think ke batlile ke wa high 4. 2014 ke le ka tshela ke ntlo le dikoloi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I remember that story. He told me that story. You know, like he took me to drive around, go the scrapyard or as go the mechanics go
Like a
Soweto.
Soweto, yeah.
Go Orlando, right?
Yeah,
Predominantly.
Orlando,
DK,
Yeah.
Midway.
Yeah.
I will see PM cars. Like I'll go to this one and like it's got 3 PM cars. This one has got 4. And from there I look at Debra, I'm like, hey, where do you get the strength to survive? So, because why it's kasijwang, bro. Kasijwang, but you know how we. Ha na iketsangari kena we. They're waiting for your
Downfall.
for the test. And I call it the test of your life. Because that thing is either you fall or you come up very strong. Because it's just a test of your life. Because God wants to give you something very big. When you shebang ka re no, and then how uwelamang, bro. Why do you care about what people are saying? What?
And I'm forgetting, or you know how ne celebrate when Oang,
Yeah.
because if you're going to come out strong,
Bona.
going to come out very strong because of how you've learned from your mistakes.
Bona.
And skana ka rotloa haiwane, and then ho ba sharp.
And
And
some-
so tloa hape.
Pizzo, some of the people will never fall because they remain in the bottom.
Yeah.
Where do you fall from?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
don't fall from the ground.
Yo.
Now, when you care, like someone said you fell from the ground, you fell on top. You were on top, you remain on top, bro.
Na ke wa aka wisa ke re ke misitse chelete. Ke wisitse ko re I miss banked or I banked on the wrong places, putting my trust into someone. So when he demolished that, he goes to these points whereby he knows you're not going to come back. Forgetting or na business yaka. As a business ne ke le ko mabitleng mruta re bonta tla le kwaleng mekoti, then I put that into practice. It's a God's given business. I'll always come up strong.
Yeah. So born, ne? Today I go work out the school fees. So for now, I think lessons learned. How important is lessons learned? Ne? In whatever endeavors a person, but in this particular point in time, we're talking business, and we need to be honest. Most of our listeners is black people right now. So the importance of these
Other
school
than
fees.
Tani Julieta.
Oh yeah, shout out to Tani Julieta. Shout out to Tani. No. Okay, no. Let's do that. So the importance of lessons learned ne, in this context. For when? How would you actually conceptualize that for someone who's now maybe is in that position as we speak? They've started some business and they're at that downwards trajectory. What would you say to someone like that?
Consistency, number one. But babang habawa, instead of going back to business thing, alo check the mistakes tsai o jumpela ko engwe. Understand? Sabatla o rekisa dikota, sabatla o rekisa mataere dikoloi. O sana nne gentle na le dikoloi tse ngata. Ke tla lo paisetsa yena and sa plain la qetile forgetting or una le ele e wileng. And there's someone sitting there listening to me talking and say, this guy has made it. Yes, I've made it. But it was not easy, but it was doable. You understand?
Yo.
I remember, I'm going to tell a story. Nikile Jermaine Rilo ituta mo kamabitla. So we get into a restaurant after learning everything. Then we sat down and the waiter came. Got the order tsa rona, the drinks, kinela virgin strawberry daiquiri.
Yeah, pink.
Pink.
And
Strawberry.
everyone ordered dijo tsa hae.
Mtateli Mike. Yes.
Shout out to Tani Julieta.
So everyone ordered dijo
Yes.
tsa bona.
Yes.
Ordered the chicken what. Then I ordered my meal. A frog with killing spice.
A frog. Pizzo ke lona le etsang gore batho ba re na le noga.
Okay, I ordered my meal.
It's a frog.
So everyone nearly 5. So everyone is their food the other. And then my food in Canada.
Your frog come.
So I'm like impatient now, right? It's 15 minutes. Then I started raising my voice to the manager. The manager. Okay, let me go check what's on my check. People back there, and then the manager came and she said, "No, give us another 5 minutes." Call the chef. Then the manager goes to the kitchen, calls the chef. The chef comes to me and say, "Mr. Malika, you didn't just order any food. You ordered a special plate that needed my special attention. So I'm busy preparing your meal." So what I'm trying to say, I'm talking to someone who's sitting at home, listening to me, thinking, "Or I've just made it happen just like that." Your turn is coming.
Wait for your meal.
Wait for your turn. That's why it's a consistency. Dula.
Very true.
Dula, umamele, o etse di tlo tla dijo tsa hao.
Re felelwa ke nako, ke batla re fetana kwa baruti.
No, Mara, I wanna go to this
Yes.
next element of his business. The last time you came to my office, there were like you are scaling up your business.
Yes.
There's someone or my meeting go Manter Arnold. Hey, I love this business, and I would love to get into this business. And I know you are franchising at this business. Let's talk about that.
Yes. Limo Rustenburg it down,
I know. Go Muruleng, right?
Yeah, ki Muruleng. Go Tlhabane West.
Monana.
Yeah, go Tlhabane West. Go ki tshwere address at ke number 20 Mokhale Street, Tlhabane West. Yeah,
Nice.
Rustenburg. Yeah, their phone number is 076 879 6222.
So there's no reason why we don't have these people in closing the graves every week.
Bateng le ona tse bateng ka montle le ka banka ko pyramidal na bona le ba sebeditse twice.
No, we used that twice.
Yeah, twice.
Now
So
we
starting
have
from
to-
this Saturday ke tla be ke le teng le nna.
All right.
Yeah, ke tla be ke le teng
I remember food this weekend.
there's no way.
this-
There's no way. Le rekile grafts black. Aowa, ke di bone. Aowa. Ao ibile tshantse di kene draw. Ao. Ba bona la bolo ka ibile le kwala le nkopi. Aowa. Ao. Le reka di le batlo di ntsaneng. Aowa. Batho ba mo Rustenburg Saturday le fitla ko pyramid le ba bolelle hore ha lena di garafe. Le lena le pitso mabitla. Tla re kwalla mekoti.
Yeah, man. So let's talk a bit about that. So that, like, the other moshers that listen to us, because you know, but as Pyramid, because they know this show is brought to you by Pyramid Group Funerals.
Okay.
And the other, like, there's a lot of moshers that were mentoring, like from a
Then
distance.
you must set a trend.
From a distance. So I want them. I know if they know hore, how
Pyramid
to-
kwala mabitla. Le bona batlo kwala mabitla.
which is a good thing.
Yes.
But I want them to hore, like baska sokola. Ba guide number hore, like ga ba batla go kwala mabitla mo Rustenburg ba contact mang in terms of that.
Mo Rustenburg batlo contact Lucy
Okay.
go 076 876 879 6222.
622
That's the number to
076 879 6222.
6222.
Exactly. Sale botlhale ne?
Yeah, no, celebrate.
Eh, no, I'm still. I just only 50.
O tla swaba. Swaba.
Well,
Ukare-
age
ukare-
is just a number.
Oh marash. O bona re ke fufuletse jwang wa. Ene lona la fufulelwa ke nna fela nje. E chaile phela hawa.
Re la ka bangwele
No,
phakeng.
so in closing, Propis, what message do you have? Because, like, well, you know, Untwana Kasi.
Yeah.
Untwana Kasi, and there's a lot of people that think some of the things that they want to do, like your dream is too small. Hi, man, who will buy that? Like, you manage to build a business out of something, say, people ordinarily don't have to do it.
My friends used to say, "Ah, la pizza ba kula batho ba ikwalla mabitla."
Yeah.
Bona tse ba khutla ba re bra pitso. Ah man fetro ba tlo party shares ke ra la kula le di shares di rekisa ko Chase. And the very same guys who were criticizing my company. Ba re ke outing fa ma vena ituki right. Manje sengaziwa I range I Ford
Ford
Ranger.
Ranger.
Yeah.
Bang phone out Mr. Malika. companies.
Hey, I met Mr. Malika. Actually, he called me to say, you know what, BMW Centurion is doing something. They test driving cars. I told them that you are a fan of BMWs, and I want them to invite you. And then we get there. Hey, Mr. Malika is there, being given all these big cars. You know, I know Mr. Malika, man. You manage, and that has got nothing to do with Kuala Mabita, but you understood and you still understand the whole value chain.
The whole concept was like, what can we do as PM Grave Closure and West Bank and BMW? I'm in the burial industry. I know almost all the undertakers. So I still want to see my brand out there, as he's saying, we need to grow the brand. So I had a conversation with West Bank, Horwena, finance abatuba, and then BMW, wena, but it's a life be simple, because of one thing about undertakers, black businesses, not all of them, most of them, they still misuse charity. I understand. So give them the opportunity, because of undertaking every weekend. When it's an arrangement, now look, kids the koloi, ki West Bank, highlights it into simple. Then BMW, your hoster, your fadi, the koloi,
All type of cars.
Raja,
Ranata Kare.
Virgin.
No, man. I mean, Malik, thank you so much. Now, we need to also interview your franchisee. We need to, Tandy, you'll take the numbers for the franchisee to come on your own, out of Remalika's shadow. Atlatlo Nali interview na because she also understands the dynamics within the Rustin. You know, a lot of people, like now that I'm doing my research on succession planning, when I had to justify what is not known, I'm like, there's a lot that is known, but it's known not in a South African context. Runa, in
Kama senzona le diphiri. Go area tse ding. Yeah,
how do you say to the Piritel? How do you now manage to?
But what I've picked up ka diphiri, most of diphiri di a Gauteng di lo batla mmereko. And tse salang ka mo di sala di le few, and then you find a challenge go ha ona le leave. O thole ro setse phiri A1 or phiri tse 2. Ba gana. Ha ba gutla sometimes mabitlen they demand liquor, cigarettes and everything.
That's true.
Now is e baleile ntwe le ya sitse ya re rekela ko gae. So that's when we come in. As PM Grave Closures.
No, I think you're closing a very big gap, and literally a very big hole. 6 feet.
And then ke kopa ko pyramid re kwale gap e kaofela. You know what? You're doing a very good job. The Glove Boys, na ke qale o utlwa ka lona, nna ko Soweto abaibi aina lebitso. Eh, ka Saturday, I did a funeral le lona ka Saturday.
Oh yeah, with Sasekan.
You know what happened at the cemetery?
Yeah.
It was my first time experiencing such.
Yeah.
I remember I had a little bit of a challenge ko Bloemfontein. Anekbula branch Bloemfontein. One of the guys answer emetse family into Mufuko hashing. Imutlise kom koting a fainta.
Esa.
Kirikiti. Kaska tseba re kille ke hweletse. Ha qetile antsha a bona mathi. I didn't know what to do. Kanti the guy wentse la lavuka ho senga hlapa meno na ke fitla ke bone ra butshupile o eme ko letsatsing. That's when ke le ka introduce di kepis. Kanti di kepis tse ke di introducing Saturday di nkoseditse movie. No, movie. Ko Avalon. It was a movie.
But anyway, that's just one other day, man.
Yeah.
So in closing, Peter, what do you want to say to the people of Rustenburg? We broadcast from Mafikeng to Pretoria. What do you want to say to Bupirino?
Let's grow all together. Let's support each other. I know there's someone sitting there. Whatever that is in your mind, put it into practice. No one is going to come inside your mind. No one is going to come and hold your hand. Nowadays, everything are on social media. You just buy data. You Google everything. Google
ChatGPT.
Yeah. So
Notebook LM.
ska bua segwaholo phela nna ke ka standard 10 yana ga so bua ai man please wang expose le age ya ka yana
Good night.
Good night. Uzoyithola kanjani uhlele khona?
yeah
Tsama ulo roka
Thank you
no.
so much.
Qetile.
Hey, people are provocative. I vale brapit. I vale la. I vale. Close it with a prayer. Close with a prayer. Can you close the show with a prayer?
tshwantse ke kenye dintho tse
No, you can pray.
No, but
they're listening to you.
before we close, I've got something for you.
Oh, nice.
Anke, this is for
man. For Radio Mafisa, man. We're gonna put it. We're gonna get a space here. We're gonna get a space here.
and then Ekia how
Oh man. Gee.
Sihlale sefisi.
Oh, where's mine?
Many more. Was not
Many
many
more.
Was not so many. No man.
That's
Thank you so much, brother. And the things like this that make black businesses thrive, or businesses in general. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. We're gonna have this hanged everywhere here around Radio Mafisa. People must ask us what's happening with this PM. The biggest advertisement is gonna happen from here. But let's go high. Let's give space for Batubake Reke. Khurbatse ne bato rapella Remalike bato rapella mara ithate mo Africa. Akuna nog. You only work hard. Good evening.
Let's go.
When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.